Hello, my baby. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. You gonna talk today? Huh? Or are you gonna make funny faces? We're gonna make funny faces? What do you want to do today? Huh? What do you want to do?
Okay.
You don't know? Let's see. You want to go outside for a walk? No? You like walks in your stroller? Don't you like walks in your stroller? Huh? Don't you? Okay. How about tummy time? You want some tummy time? Huh? We can do tummy time. Yeah, okay. Whoa! You are such a talker. You are a big girl. You are a big girl. Oh, you are just trying so hard. Oh, you got that little mouth moving. You got that little mouth moving. Huh? You like talking? You like to say ah. You like to say ah goo. Ah goo. Good girl. Goo. You copying me. Are you copying me? Goo. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh my goodness. That is saying a lot. You have a lot to say, don't you?